Alright guys, I have the coal stove right here, right? And I have a breadfruit and a dry coconut. So I want to leave it in the comments and tell me one thing I'm gonna do with these two, right? Well, when I see it now in the title, but when you can comment below and tell me what you think about this idea or this dish. Alright guys, I'm there at home and feel bored. I'm gonna say, what can I do? I'm to do a video. At home, I have a breadfruit tree, as you don't know. I have coconut tree with dry coconut on it, and I'm like, what can I do with breadfruit? Right? I say, if I roast it, I know that already. If I fry it, I know that already. What can I do? It's alright. I can have some porridge with it. I can have some punch with it. Because no people don't know if you can have porridge, punch, and all that, right? I say no. No porridge today. No punch today because I don't have enough ingredients to make the punch. I say alright. My curried breadfruit. Yeah man. I can bet the curried breadfruit really blow someone's mind because I never know breadfruit can curry or how to do it. Well, today, at the first me I do it, at the first me I taste it. You see me, so all I'm doing is learn as I go along. So right now, my curried breadfruit. I don't have all the breadfruit, you know. Okay, see it? It's a pretty big breadfruit, right? Good size. And if me do it, all of it, I not can eat off because right now it's me alone at home, so I don't want to make enough and then eat up and then waste. So maybe half or less than half I'm gonna do. One look at dish, you taste what you taste, and my curried down in a coconut milk. Yeah man, a nice native dry coconut. So I get the coconut chip out now and my link in the back. But before that, I want to say guys, all who support me, enough love for the support, really appreciate it. Continue showing support, and if you are following the channel for the first time, thanks forward. You see me, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and share the video and give video a like. And I'm saying before, comment below and tell me what you think about this video. Follow my IG Jeff876 and Yardstyle Cooking Adventures. The link for the page them down below in the description, so you can scroll along, click it and give me a follow up on the page them. You see me guys, because before we post on YouTube, a snippet I always post on IG, so open up on IG, we see what I'm going to post on YouTube. You see me, so subscribe to IG man to keep up to date on what I go on. Yeah, so cheap out breadfruit, and go to the shop, buy some coal and a curry. I don't think no curry. Yeah man, so looking back guys. Yeah man guys, quick and easy, you know? No time to chip out the dry coconut. It not much meal here in Jamaica can chip out the dry coconut. Yeah man. Can't be a Jamaican and don't know to do these simple things. Yeah man. So I'm gonna get the coal and curry now. Check him out guys. One curry and coal. Yeah man guys, so see me catch the coal here. So I'm gonna go and burn the coconut and go and prep. In the meantime, the coal I go and catch because right now it's a rainy day today. You see me? So I'm gonna do quick and fast before the rain come back down. Guys, that's everything I'm gonna use. That's water on the back here, knife and all that, and to me, I've been nice body plate them, my curry, and my onion. I don't have any scallion and thyme today. The finish I never know. I already started the video, so I'm alright. With or without it, I do video. Same way. Yeah man, my powder season here. In my jam buckle here. I take a little bit of me jerk season in it. I want the pepper, but I have no pepper, so I'm gonna do it with the pepper and take a little bit of it. Jerk season night because this having pepper night. So hope it turn out good. Yeah, I'm a nice milk coconut milk. You don't know. I'm a fire. The fire give me a fight, but it a catch, guys, a catch. So I can put on pot pan fire now. I don't know. I have to close it up. I don't want nothing for the night. Yeah man guys, so see cockage, you can see the boil over. See there? What the bubble. So at time now to cut up this, the breadfruit. So guys, now I can put piece ripe plantain night. This come to the freezer. I'm powder one, you know. I'm powder one this guys and by plantain put in the freezer and then punch. You see me so. Guys, pray for me. Pray for me guys. I let the boil over. The boil over, so yeah man, so pray for me guys. So I put the plantain night to make a curry. Have like a sweet taste to it, you see me? Yeah man, that is it. And I mentioned earlier, I said I have no scaling on time to finish. I never know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this night because I want to thick curry of pepper night. Right? All I go remember say, this having scallion and everything what I want in the curry. So I hope this pepper sauce can be a substitute for the scallion and tail I have. So let's say taste guys. Yeah man guys, so let me say. Now I use all of it guys. So I use this other cutting board for the time being. So I see oh half look. I really need to get a cutting board guys. Bad. Yeah man, so peel breadfruit time. So guys, we'll cut the breadfruit in bite size. Right? Yeah man, guys, see, one plate me I make. I don't know, you have to wash. You have to wash them, you know, guys. You have to wash it. Look, too much. Look, too much. Water in the pot, guys, but I'm do it same, you know, guys. See, yeah? Throw in. Yeah, man. So, I put in the curry and everything now, guys. Platen and everything. See, clear. But and soft, like well ripe. Let me cut them up. So, throw in the pot now, guys. Everything is gonna pot now. So, guys, I'll make everything go down, go right down, like a rundown. Yeah, man. See it, guys. That is it. That is it. So, get everything ready to clean up now. Cause I don't know, say you have to keep your workplace clean and tidy. I don't know this is going to be good. It's a good to be good. See me, guys. Come. Come, see what's them right there, so. Yeah, man, guys, you notice me take the pot off of the fire because I burn up. Too many gone do other things, right? Yeah, I burn up. See? Why they give it out? Why they give it out, guys? Too many gone do other things and attend to the goat and all that. But all them did, they went out of the fire because I want jerk one chicken for my dinner right about now. So let's taste and see what's going on, guys. So let's do a taste test. Put my spoon here. Hot, guys. I'm a person who love pepper, guys. I like it mild, I like it hot. Well, the platen geet are nice flavor. Like a sweet flavor, yeah, man, very nice. So, my shadows, guys, I'll link them back. Yeah, man, guys, my day here, I jerk one chicken for dinner, you see me, and put the breadfruit on the grill also for roast, you see me, because I'm tired of cooked chicken, like brown stew, curry, and all that. I'm kind of tired of the regular way of cooking, so lately I'm jerking a lot, trying things out of the box and all that, and I'm going to put some more of that on the channel for show you know, ways on you can prepare chicken or prepare a meal, you see me, because sometimes I do some things and I do it off camera and all that. And the curry breadfruit was a success. I like it, but a little bit too hot for me, because I always say I don't really love pepper like that. Thank you guys. Share the video, subscribe if new, and give it a like and leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. And my kitchen, next video, guys. So look more, guys. It's the brightness right here, so I look at squidness. It did up here, so but it dropped right down right here. So I'll be night, I'm showing a clip right now.